Hello everyone, Amol here, Oracle Solution Architect for Oracle Fusion Cloud Implementation Project. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can automatically schedule and track cost allocation process. For this allocation submission, I'm signing as a GEMS seller who is responsible for monthly allocation process. So I just click on next. And over here, we come to home screen. So instead of running allocation manually every time, the system can perform them automatically based on a predefined schedule. If needed, you can also enter specific details or conditions at the time of execution. Okay. So for this specific example, James, who is responsible for managing month-end cost allocation, he reviews the allocation rule to make sure everything is correct before you go for the running the program. So once month-end closing process begins, the user simply checks whether all the scheduled monthly allocations have been completed successfully. Means you don't have to run them manually. To begin with allocation, let's click on General Accounting, then Journals, and then I'm going to click on the Task. Under Task, there is a allocation, and in Allocation, we are going to click on Generate General Ledger Allocations. So the description says allocate Oracle Fusion General Ledger balances. Okay. So based on your allocation calculations and everything, it will create. So here we have to select the basic rule. So for rules, I'm going to go, since it is a monthly allocation, I'm going to search for monthly allocation and click on search. And under rule and rule set, I find month end allocation for US chart of account. Then I will click OK. Okay, so it is been selected. Now next is spread evenly expenses. Specify accounting period. So which period you are choosing it for. So you select appropriate period, which must be your current period. Then allocation of freight based on product revenue, specify accounting period. That is again current period. And then reserve for bad debts, specify accounting period. Same period, right? Apart from this, you also have to choose appropriate allocation category. So here it's allocation. If you have a different categories, you can choose allocate a different allocation categories for different kind of allocations, right? Then conversion rate type, whichever its conversion rate type is applicable to you as per your corporate policy, currency rate policy, you can choose one. And then ultimately you have this checkbox. If you want this allocation, not only just create them, but also post them, then in that case, you will check this option. So entries created by allocation will be posted. And then you click on the submit button. On submission, the process will be submitted and you have to note down the process ID. Then click on OK. Afterwards, you have to click on the navigate. In order to find out that request, we go to tools and then click on schedules. In the schedule, if you see, all allocation related process have been run successfully. So generate allocation succeeded allocate general ledger balances succeeded, import the created entries also have been successfully imported, and ultimately those entry which are created by this allocation have also been posted into your ledger, and that also succeeded. Then we come back to journals to check if those entries have really have created and being posted to your ledger. So I click on journals, then again I click on the task. In task I click on manage journal, then I select the period which for which I have run this allocation, and here you see the entries which have been created by the automatic allocation process. So you can choose your entry and see if they have posted successfully.